Progress in Irish. Lesson 6. Lesson 6 is giving you a whole bunch of adjectives. More, big, beag, small, and a whole bunch of other ones. It's studying this vocabulary, so you'll really just have to hit the vocabulary here. Now, they do introduce a new idea. This is now not using these in a sentence where you have ta plus the noun plus the describer, the adjective. Now we're attaching the adjective to the noun, following the noun. Okay, so instead of saying the man is big, we're saying something about the big man. Okay, so ta an fear mór ag teacht, the big man is coming. Okay, so that's how you're using these. And most of them follow the noun. So adjectives generally follow the noun. There are a couple of exceptions that go before the noun, and they give you those. An shan dinne, shan is old. An druch fingen, the bad penny. Druch, bad. So those are the exceptions. Now, when the adjective qualifies the noun, we have to do things depending on the noun and so forth, but they're not making you learn that yet. So it's actually not so bad. Learn these adjectives. Realize that the adjective generally follows the noun when you're using it as a qualifier of the noun. And there are those two exceptions to learn. Go for it.